Hey everyone, Scott here from the Premier Inn, London County Hall in London, Westminster to be more specific. And I tell you what, this is a little bit not what I was expecting. It's nice. I kind of like this. However, the hotel itself is not very luxurious. Now, it's nice, don't get me wrong, but the pictures online and everything that I saw led me to believe that this is going to be a luxury property. It's actually really close to the Plaza Premium Hotel, which is just down the road. That's a really nice hotel. This is not that. You walk into the lobby and it kind of feels like a Hilton Garden Inn. I mean, it's very budget, but the room is very unique. I like this. The room is not budget. It is kind of, I mean, this is the closet right here. It's all exposed. The hair dryer here, out here in the main room. Whatever, that works. And then there's part two of the closet here with an ironing board and an iron up there, and a chair and I guess, this is a suite. I was not expecting this. It's huge. I like it. And you come in here. I already showed you this, but this is the bedroom. Nice big bed. TV on the wall, and let's just get this over with. The view is not that great, actually. A lot of construction going on. Can't really see anything. However, if you had a room on the other side, there's the London Eye, the big Ferris wheel over there. And yeah, this is not that. But this is nice. This is London, definitely. And it's a kind of an older building, you can see. I mean, it's very unique. You look at the structure there. I like it. This is cool. And yeah, I tell you what, just flew in from the US. I am dead tired, and that bed looks good. I gotta hold off. It's only 3 p.m. right now. I gotta stay up until at least 8 p.m. Otherwise, I'm gonna be up all night if I take a nap right now. So I must resist the urge. Got a nice desk here. Looks like there's room service, drinks, food, and then a coffee machine. Espresso, and then with the usual, I don't know, ooh, chocolate, dark chocolate, milk chocolate. I like that. That's a good thing. Check out the bathroom here. Got a toilet, and I've already used the sink, so don't mind all the water here. I don't know why hotels do this. They close the drains. Whenever you turn the water on, it just fills up with water, and I don't know how to. I have no idea how to drain that. Gonna have to figure that out. So, and a nice big shower here. That looks good. Especially coming in from the US right now. Long flight. I need a shower and a power nap, definitely. And the view out here on this side is the same, of course. Same. It's all good. Funky chair. And the ceilings are kind of high in here, which is very unique, a little bit. I don't know, maybe they're not so high, but a little bit. I mean, I can't, yeah. I was gonna say, I wouldn't be able to jump up and touch it, but you don't want to see me do that anyway. Oh, it's down here. And we have a refrigerator, bottled water. I don't know if that's free, though. I'm gonna have to ask before I dig into that. There is a vending machine downstairs in the lobby with water, which leads me to believe that if you want more water, you're gonna have to pay for it. So, yes, I like that. I like that a lot. I'm getting delirious. Sorry about that. Another little unique thing about this room is that you can see the angles. Neon lighting, which is new stuff, and then angles, old world stuff. So it's a mix of new and old. And if you look at the exterior of this building, it looks very old. Like, I don't mean old as in bad, I mean just historic. So, anyway, not what I was expecting. I like it, and if you have any questions, I will tell you too, the area is very, very good. This is just a 5-minute walk from the Westminster Bridge, and there's Big Ben right there, and Westminster Station, and the Parliament building too. It's all right there. That's a 10-minute walk. Perfect location. Can't beat it. I like it. If you have any questions, ask me down in the comment section below. And yeah, I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.